on waking up, you need to eat something within the first 15 to 20 minutes, alright? But that something should never be a chai or a coffee or a biscuit. ये पुराने टाइम पे मतलब 10-15 साल पहले people were starting on chai or coffee or biscuit. पिछले 5 साल में diet trends have changed and now people are starting on shots of anything.
Methi seeds.
Yeah, coconut oil.
Methi seeds.
नहीं कोई और गंदे aloe vera juice.
Yeah.
Giloy. Methi, soaked ashwagandha, soaked everything that is like nice and exotic. Collect everything. Watermelon का seeds, because watermelon तो normal आदमी भी खा सकता है, लेकिन fitness journey पे आदमी क्या खाएगा? Watermelon seeds, So doing seeds and spices or shots or stimulants is not okay. Alright? So if you start with any of these things, then it's a problem. Now, unfortunately, most programs that one signs up for, most detox places that one goes to, you're given these kind of things in nice looking cups, you get very excited and you start having them. Even if you go to Taj and all of that, so you want to know what the latest trends are, 5-star का buffet देखो, So 5-star के buffet में कैसा रहता है? Full मतलब सब कुछ रहता है, croissant भी रहेगा, chocolate क्या बोलते हैं उसको, डोनट भी रहेगा, नॉर्मल ब्रेड भी रहेगा, ब्राउन ब्रेड भी रहेगा, मल्टीग्रेन ब्रेड भी रहेगा, सब नॉर्मल सब चीजें भी मिलेगा, डोसा, इडली एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड देन देयर विल बी वन कॉर्नर इन द सेंटर जहां पर आजकल दिस वाज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ द 5-star थिंग 5 years ago, बट नाउ यू हैव ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ वाटर्स, अजवाइन का पानी, मेथी का पानी, जीरा का पानी, cucumber waters, and अलग seeds.
Yeah, all the seeds.
ये पतला होने का है, ये वाले क्लाइंटल को पतला होने का है, करो, रखो सब कुछ, like service them. So you start with any of these things. What do you think happens to you?
Overstimulation.
So stimulants से तो overstimulation. It's like you start cranking, right? But what about short seeds and spices? What about these? Aren't these Ayurvedic?
Yes.
Aren't these herbal, right? So we say अभी कुछ भी Ayurvedic में, herbal में कुछ भी चलेगा. Everything like okay. Every time people say stevia is a plant. I mean, other than feeling that sugarcane is also a plant, I also feel like tobacco is also a plant. But that doesn't make it any healthier than what it should be. So it's the same thing. See, seeds and spices, has Ayurveda used them? Yes. Have they been used in your homes by your dadis and nannies? Yes, 100%. But how have they been used intelligently and as a part of a meal? They are not used in isolation. They are not used as first thing in the morning. They are not used through the year. Methi dana, for example, used like when you're only cooking certain kinds of sabzis. Like, if you make a pumpkin sabzi, there is methi dane ka tadka. If you make a curry, there is methi dane ka tadka. If you are a lactating woman, that's the only time you get a lot of methi dana at one time, but in the form of a laddu, right? But you don't get methi dana throughout the year for no reason whatsoever. Does it have good properties? Yes. But can you overdo it? No. You must remember that all seeds and all spices, just like how they have nutrients, they also have anti-nutrients. What are anti-nutrients? Anti-nutrients are naturally existing molecules in seeds and spices and plants and vegetables and grains and pulses that interfere with nutrient absorption and assimilation, because of which they need to be cooked and then they need to be eaten in combinations with certain meals or with other, with other certain foods, and they also need to be eaten in a certain proportion. ठीक है? कड़ी में कितना मेथी दाना चाहते हैं?
1 teaspoon.
4, 5, so spices also, हल्दी short, जो आजकल बहुत लोग पहले हम लोग बोलते थे जुबान खाली है तुम्हारी, but now with people doing हल्दी short, they have पीली जुबान, right? So you wake up in the morning, you have haldi, you have it in water. How did we traditionally use haldi? Curries.
Everything.
All tadkas. And if you did use haldi in a drink, what drink was that? Milk. When did you have it?
You have a night.
Last thing in the night. And when you have a cold, it was like a recovery drink, right? Did you ever use it in water? Did your dadi ever tell you पानी में डालो? The only time जब हमने पानी में डाल के हल्दी हल्दी use करते हैं, that is just before शादी. When that haldi is put all over your body, और उसके बाद में क्या होता है? Everyone knows. You know this ना? जैसे बकरे को कैसा पहला खिला के बाद में काटते हैं, वैसे हमको हल्दी लगा के पहला बाद में सूली पे चढ़ा देते हैं. So we never use a lot of haldi, and we surely don't use it in water. What nutrition science now knows is that if you do use haldi without the fat molecules, if you do use it in water, then it will come in the way of iron assimilation. It will give you low ferritin levels. What are one of the things that people are checking with COVID? इतना fatigue क्यों आ रहा है? क्या check करते हैं वो लोग? They're checking CRP. They are also checking ferritin. Check कर रहे हैं ferritin crashing. Why? That is what happens in infections, which is exactly what happens with diets. You go on a diet and fatigued all the time, but you're like नहीं पर मैं पतली हूँ. पर क्या फायदा? If you're fatigued, you're no longer attractive. You can't do anything with your day.